I see the ocean and the land below us.
Yes, we're almost there now.
I can see the runway.
That means we're landing soon.
The plane feels slower now.
Yes, we touched the ground.
People are clapping.
It was a good landing.
We really made it.
Yes, welcome to Costa Rica.
Everyone is standing up.
We'll wait our turn.
Careful with the bags.
I've got mine. This bridge feels warm.
The air is different here. It smells nice.
That's the tropical air.
It says welcome.
That feels good to see.
Everything is new.
That's part of traveling. We need to go through immigration.
Okay, I'll stay close.
The line is moving slowly.
That's okay, no rush.
That stamp sounds loud. It means we're allowed in. We're officially here now.
That feels exciting.
Let's find the baggage claim.
I want to see the bags.
They keep going in circles.
Until we pick ours up.
That one looks like ours.
Good eyes. This suitcase is heavy.
I'll hold the other one.
I can carry this small bag.
Thank you for helping.
We didn't lose anything.
That's good.
There are so many people waiting.
Everyone just arrived like us.
That sign has our name.
Yes, that's our driver.
Welcome to Costa Rica.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Let's go outside.
I want to feel the air.
Whoa, it's warm.
The air feels different.
I like it.
I see palm trees.
That's a good sign.
This feels like a vacation.
I can finally breathe.
We made it.
I hear birds.
They're loud.
Let's load the bags.
We're leaving the airport now.
The adventure continues.
There are trees everywhere.
Costa Rica is very green.
Look at the mountains.
They're beautiful.
I don't want to miss anything.
Keep looking outside.
I can't stop watching.
There's a lot to see. Those trees are huge.
They look old.
This place feels peaceful.
The houses are colorful.
I like them.
This town feels small.
Small and cozy.
We're close to the hotel.
I'm excited.
It's getting quieter.
We're almost there.
The hotel looks beautiful.
It feels welcoming.
Welcome. We're happy to have you.
Thank you very much.
The lobby is open.
I like the fresh air.
Those fans are big.
They keep the air cool.
I'll check us in.
We'll wait here.
Those keys look shiny.
They open our room.
Let's go to our room.
I'm tired.
There are plants inside.
It feels natural.
This is our room.
Yes, it is.
It's so bright.
Lots of sunlight.
Let's open the balcony.
I want to see outside.
Everything is green.
So peaceful.
I hear birds again.
They live nearby.
I'll unpack later.
Let's rest first. My body feels tired.
You can relax now.
This bed is soft.
I like it. The light feels warm.
It's a nice afternoon. This was a good choice.
I agree.
I feel happy.
Me too.
Let's enjoy this view.
The sun is going down.
The day is ending. Our Costa Rica adventure starts here.